Hi Trisha. How are you doing today? You seem to be pretty relaxed these days. I mean, you are just swimming around without a care in the world.
Just fine, Chase. I'm having a great day. I just spent an hour online managing my automated attraction marketing funnel. And now I'm free to swim around for the rest of the week.
You know, my boss is a real jerk. He is a great white shark and I just hate the way he treats us. If we make one mistake, then we are his lunch.
Wow. That is a very stressful situation for sure. What are you going to do?
You know, Trisha, I'm very interested in getting started with my own online attraction marketing funnel. What would be the best way to start?
Well, Chase, to minimize the time it takes before you are in profit, you can start as low as $25 a month. There are 2 other tools that are inexpensive as well.
I can afford $25 a month to start my attraction marketing system. But Trisha, is there any way to know it will work for me?
Of course, Chase. We are using a system that has been proven by hundreds of other fish. My favorite marketing method is using YouTube for free. Remember, that is how you found me. Plus, you'll get my direct support as well. We hold webinars and teach you stroke by stroke. Or step by step, I mean. What was I thinking?
Okay, that is just what I need. My boss thinks the way to help others is to bite their head off. I am so glad you do not threaten people into submission.
That is not the way to build a team for sure.
Trisha, is there a way we can meet online so you can guide me while I set up my attraction marketing system? Say in a web room and or on Skype?
Yes, of course, Chase. We do have a web room, plus you and I can meet on Skype. I'll send you a link to the web room. Let's go to the web room, okay?
Okay Trisha. I'm ready to go. I'll tell my spouse to watch the fingerlings. You know, with 3,000 babies it is tough to focus on anything for very long.
Wow, you have 3,000 fingerlings. Boy, I bet you can hardly wait until they leave the coral reef.
Yeah? But then we need to have some money to fund their education. So that is why I am serious about the online attraction marketing system.
Okay, well, let's stop swimming around and get to our computers. I will use my new iPad that I bought with my business profits.
Great. And soon I'll tell my boss where he can go. He is such a pain.
Tell him that he might be better off hunting seals in the Bering Sea. By the way, Chase, I think you and I are going to get along just fine. Go to my website now and then you can sign up. It is watchmyvideoforfree.com. Okay?
Got it, Trisha. Watchmyvideoforfree.com. Thanks, and I'll see you in the web room.
Bye for now, Chase, and say hi to all your fingerlings.
Thanks, Trisha. I am going to pick up some sushi for a special dinner with my spouse to celebrate our new online venture. Thanks again.
Don't forget the special china and the candles too.